we've got some fantastic products that have won 57 awards. Day 3 here in Vegas, so we're excited. The first of these is the Mirage Solo headset. This is the world's first untethered standalone VR. But what's different about it is you don't need to put a phone into it. You don't need to connect it with wires to a PC, but it offers you what's called 6 degrees of freedom. So I can put this on and I can be experiencing, right now I'm actually seeing it. I've got right here in front of me all of my family. We're in a birthday party. I can move forward towards you and I move in, I move back, I move left and right, up and down, and I'm actually experiencing it. And this is all captured live. You can live stream this from just this tiny, what's called Lenovo Mirage camera. So this tiny little camera with 2 lenses here lets you see just like your own eyes. So you see full 180 degrees virtual reality, and you can capture anything, live stream or record to this headset. So I mean, experiencing that, you know, family event from the other side of the country. I know a lot of families are in different parts of the country here in the US. 4G, 5G, fast networks, you can live stream and experience stuff like that. You know,
because you're here working in Las Vegas and you're not able to be home in Australia for this birthday party, you were still virtually there.
Exactly. And I also had a lot of fun being courtside, Madison Square Gardens, watching as the Knicks run up and pass. I'm a big Knicks fan, and dunking and playing, but I'm capturing, like people were capturing it live and I'm watching it at home on the headset. So it's pretty cool stuff, and you know, it's exclusive with Lenovo and Google. So there's nothing else like this out on the market at all. So pretty cool. That's the Lenovo Mirage Solo headset and camera. That'll be shipping in Q2, so April, May, June here in the US, around $449 and $249. The other 2 things you want to talk about 1 or 2 others? We got time.
Oh yeah, let's do it, because we've got to see these Lenovo smart displays, which are basically smart speakers with an awesome display.
Yeah, that's right. So 8-inch and 10-inch. These are running the Google Assistant, so I can have all of my voice prompts to do things that I want at home all the time. What's the weather? You know, what time is it in Atlanta or in Florida where you are based? You know, it's a beautiful design. It goes vertical, so you can use portrait or landscape. And look at the back here. It's this beautiful looking, you know, bamboo backing. I mean, it's a nice piece that you've got on the center in your kitchen. Maybe it's going to help you navigate where you need to on your next trip. Maybe it's going to watch a video, or you know, do a Skype call, video call to home. Or
if it's in the kitchen, a nice recipe to help you cook.
I mean, I cook a bit. I don't know about you. You and I certainly eat a lot. And you know, preparing a meal, I look at the YouTube video on my phone, but this is in a nice big screen. So the Lenovo Smarts displays, you're going to see that around $149 and $249. And it's been the big winner here at CES 2018 for us.
And while we'd love to show a bunch of laptops, because Lenovo is synonymous with laptops, show us one cool thing that is being shown here.
So this is called the Lenovo Mix 630. You see it comes with a full-size detachable keyboard and the pen. And it's a detachable design with a kickstand, very similar to the Microsoft Surface product that you've probably seen and many people like. But that design is really popular. Great thing about this is that it's a very affordable price point, comes all together, but the battery life with the Qualcomm processor, the Snapdragon processor, the high-end processor that's often in high-end smartphones now runs Windows. Full Windows 10, you can operate it by voice. It's like your normal PC at home or on the move, but 20 hours of non-stop battery life and weeks of standby. So for me, I can get on the flight in Dallas, fly the 20 hours back to Sydney, get back to home, and I can watch movies all the way, or do a bunch of work, which is probably what I'll do.
Exactly. From down under, and by that I mean Las Vegas. Thank you, Nick, for joining us on Into Tomorrow. As always, a delight to have you.
No worries. Thanks, Dave. Thanks, team. Bye for now.
And of course, be sure to visit intotomorrow.com, where you can hear the full radio interview, a nice long segment with Nick talking in much more detail about these cool products from Lenovo.